it's Jay.
And Alanis.
And welcome back to the Crafty Corner. This week we're going to be teaching you how to make these awesome clay bowls.
Ooh.
Ah.
For this craft, you'll receive some clay, some wax paper, and aluminum foil, and you will need tape.
Alright, to get started, what you're going to do is take this all out. And you're going to take both of these and you're going to put them together.
Now that you have your clay combined, you're going to take it and you're going to roll it into a snake, a long rope or a snake.
Back and forth with your hand like this, kind of like a rolling pin would look. And you're just going to keep going with some light pressure, not too hard because you don't want it to start to go flat. You want it to be around round, long rope of clay. You don't have to go fast, you just have to go slow, and wax paper will come off.
And once it starts getting longer, you'll have to use both of your hands instead of one hand.
You can even pick it up and do like that. It gets a little faster. And you want to get it real skinny. We're saying like 1/4 of an inch. If that looks like 1/4 of an inch. So, the reason we give y'all wax paper is because we want to because it can mess up your tables if it's just on there. So we try to put it as much as you can on the wax paper. I know that it'll come off. I mean, mine just came out of my tape, so just try to do the best you can. If yours breaks like mine did, all you gotta do is just push them together like that and pinch. Push them really hard so they'll be flat like that, and then you'll just continue to, and then you'll just roll it out again. Easy fix. This might seem like it takes a long time, and it does, but the result is worth it.
Now that you have everything rolled out, you're going to make the base of the bowl and make it into a spiral shape, just like this one. You're going to take one side and you're going to bring it inwards and wrap the rest of the clay around that.
As it gets bigger, you want to put it down so that you can flatten it out while you're going. Have about a half or a foot of clay left. You're going to start to make the walls. So what you're going to do, instead of going around like that, you're going to go on top of the last piece of the spiral you made. Like that. And you're going to, when you get back to the end right here, we're going to make our bowl a little bit wider. So we're going to go on the outside as much as we can. Oop, make mine a little bit longer here. And we're just going to wrap it as much as we can to make it into a bowl. And you're going to want to press that down a little bit. And there you have it, your bowl shape. Once you have decided that this is what your bowl is going to look like, we need to go to the kitchen.
Now that we're in the kitchen, we're gonna use some tin foil. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place our bowls onto the tin foil. And for this next part, we need our adult supervision.
Lori! Hey Lori, can you set the oven to 260 degrees for us? Perfect. When it's done preheating, she's gonna put it in there for 15 minutes. Hey.
Minutes later, now Lori's gonna take the bowls out of the oven. Once they're out of the oven, don't touch them for 12 minutes while they cool down.
Now that it's cold, you have an awesome bowl.
You can put things like change in it and jewelry, like these rubber band bracelets that you guys made.
We have so many bracelets, the paper bead bracelet, our friendship bracelet, we put keychains in it. Oh my gosh, there's so many things you can put in it.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please send us a picture of your creation.
And remember, be kind, be brave, and
And
be
be
you.
you.